Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I'm excited to share with you a quick, hopefully quick, tutorial for a thankful and blessed fall themed wreath using the deco mesh, tinsel stems, sign, and wire wreath from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. Okay, now that everything's unwrapped, we can get started. For a 14-inch wreath with the deco mesh, I find that I need 6 rolls total of deco mesh. So I picked orange, white, and kind of like this ivory color to go around this thankful and blessed wooden sign that I found. And I got the white was available in the Christmas aisle, and the orange was available I think in the Halloween aisle, and this ivory color was available in the fall aisle. So hopefully this is all we need. I might need some hot glue. We'll see how far we can get with this. I might also want to change out this funky little bow. I don't know yet, but we have time to get to that. So we'll just get started with cutting all the deco mesh. I'm going to go ahead and just get out my cutting mat and my rotary tool because that's the easiest. And I'm going to do a different technique today. Instead of, if you saw my Harry Potter wreath I uploaded, I think that was earlier this week, I used more of a rolling method. I'm going to try a different method today. I'm going to do like a bunched up deco mesh wreath. So we'll see how that turns out. So let me grab my tools. So I got my cutting mat and my rotary cutting tool. This is that self-healing mat. It's actually really nice. I like using this for this type of project. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the orange. And I'm thinking I'm going to do 12-inch lengths. And if I fold that in half, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. 12-inch lengths. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out to the 24-inch mark. And then cut right here on the blue line. Well, try that again. Cut right here on the blue line. There we go. This white has a little bit of an iridescent mesh going through it, which to me is a little more Christmassy, but I think it'll work with this, especially since there is a little bit of silver on that sign and also that glitter in the writing. So I think I can get it to work. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do, you saw me grab these orange, I think these are really pretty, these orange tinsel stems. I'm just going to cut them all because I know if I'm not going to use them for this, I'm going to end up using them for the next wreath. I'm just going to see if I can cut them. Yep, just cut them all in half. That'll work. And so for this, what we're going to do is I'm going to start with the orange. Get these out of the way. Okay, starting with the orange. Kind of overlap them a little bit. And then bring them down to kind of make a bow. And then hold that. And then just kind of hold them with your fingers like that. Similar to what I did with the last wreath. And then scrunch it down. Like that. And then go on to the next color. Scrunch it down, kind of like a bow, like I said. And then kind of hold them all like that with your finger. Then you're going to get a chenille stem. You're going to wrap it around, pull it tight, and then twist the fluffy part around. Okay? So you have this bow looking like thing, like that. And then you can interchange the colors. So maybe some are going to have the white on top, some of them are going to have the ivory on top, and some are going to be orange on top. And on top, I mean, this is the part that you're going to see off the wreath. So we're going to make like, I don't know, 50 of these. So let's keep going. We'll start with a different color this time. Scrunch it up. Hold on to it in the middle of your fingers. Scrunch it up again. And add it there like that. There you go. Grab the tinsel stem. Pull it tight and then twist. And then just keep going. To kind of give you an idea of how that's going to go on here is I'm just going to put this, I'm going to be concentrating on these two wires of the wireframe. And pull it under and then twist. Then you get the next one, and put it right here, and twist. And then the next one, you're going to jump back over here to this other wire, and twist. And of course you're going to bunch it down. I'm just going to put these 4 on here to kind of give you an idea, but we're going to pull this down so that we can get more in there. To make it nice and full. Okay, so that's basically the look we're going to have when we're done. We're going to get really tight in there though, because you don't want to see any of the black wire, or actually dark green wire. But that's the idea, is this real fluffy ruffled look. So we'll just keep going. Getting already. It's covering the wire real good. And any little, like this one looks a little crazy, just tuck it in there. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's super easy. Okay, so it looks like that's all we have of the ivory and the white. So we're just gonna go ahead and move on to finishing this. Hopefully this will be enough. Just enough to cover. Yep, I think so. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish this real quick. it? Okay. It looks pretty even. I'm happy with it. Okay, so next, this is gonna go right here. So what we're gonna do is kind of see where I can stick this inside. I'm thinking if I can kind of tuck it in there a little bit, just a little. Let's see, there we go. And bring the fluff around it like that. If I move some of this around, you'll be able to see. I'm not loving this piece here. I'm going to take that off. And I'm going to take the string off too. I want the pumpkin to show a little bit more, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a I'm going to attach one of these through there. And secure it to the back. Do the same this side. Here it is poking through right here. And then just again secure it to the center there. I'm going to pop this out just a little bit so you can see the shape of the pumpkin, and I'm going to put something right there. Alright, so I'm not loving this part right here. I took off the raffia, but I don't like it, so I just grabbed a piece of felt. I'm going to see if I can just freehand a leaf. So I'm thinking something like this. Something as simple as that. Just to give it a little color. Maybe more than one. Smaller one. So maybe just two little leaves like that. I know that's a leaf already, but I just think it needs a little green. So let's try that. Cover that glob and then just kind of do this. Right here, and put one right there. That works. Just a little something. If you don't have felt, you can leave the raffia on there. Just need a little something. I'm going to cut these strings or pull these strings out just because I don't want them taken away from the final product. And that's it. What do you think? I think that green adds a little something. we go. Super cute. That's gonna look really great on my wall. So that's it. I hope you like it. If you like more of these videos, be sure to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video in particular. And be sure to click on the bell notification icon so that you're notified when I upload my next tutorial. Again, thanks for crafting with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Until later, thanks. Bye.